Mac OS X contains a very powerful mechanism that allows you to define and modify the keyboard shortcuts used by almost any application. In this screencast, I'm going to utilize this functionality to help you speed up a very common task, emailing a link to a web page. I'll walk you through several ways of emailing a link, the last of which will take advantage of modifying a keyboard shortcut. While I'll use Firefox here, these techniques work equally well in other browsers. The simplest and most obvious method of emailing a link is to use the old copy and paste method. Select the URL you want to send. We can either hit F6 in Firefox, or we can triple click in the address bar. We can right click and copy, or we can, once it's selected, Apple C, Command C, or we can go to edit and copy. Once we have the address, we can launch mail, create a new message, define the sender, make a subject here, and Apple V or edit, paste the link into the mail message, and it's ready to go. While this works, I'd hate to repeat this process over and over, so let's get rid of all this. Another simple way to send a link is to use a simple drag and drop. If we take the address and we drag it right onto mail while it's running, it will create the mail message for us. This is nice, but the caveat here is mail has to be running first. If I close this, quit mail, you see mail is not running. It's still in my dock though. Now I drag and drop onto mail. Mail launches, but no message is created. So that's kind of a pain, but if you have mail running all the time, it should work. Another way to send a link in Firefox is to use the Send Link menu command. It is located under File. This is really nice because it opens up mail that it isn't already running, populates the subject line with the title of the web page, and pastes the link directly into the body of the message. Enter the recipients and you are golden. But can we make this even easier and faster? So let's take a look at that Send Link command again. Notice that it does not have a keyboard shortcut associated with it, as does Save Page As, which is Command S, and New Window, which is Command N. It would be great if we could add our own shortcut to the Send Link command. Note that applications running under Windows have their keyboard shortcuts fixed at the time the application was developed. You cannot add or change keyboard shortcuts under Windows without jumping through hoops, and sometimes you can't modify them at all. But we are running under OS X, so we don't have that problem. To define a keyboard shortcut for Firefox's Send Link command, all we need to do is launch System Preferences, navigate to Keyboard and Mouse, and select the Keyboard Shortcuts tab. What we'll do is click the plus sign to create a new keyboard shortcut. We will select Firefox from the application. For the menu title, we need to enter the exact menu text as it appears in the application's menu. In our case, it is Send Link period, period, period. And those 3 periods are very important because, again, the text has to match the menu command exactly. The keyboard shortcut we'll use is Apple Shift L. That is the Command key, the Shift key, and the L key, all pressed simultaneously. We'll click Add. We'll scroll down and we can see that Firefox Send Link has been created. We'll quit System Preferences, and we'll go over and we'll look at File, Send Link, and there's no shortcut there yet. What we need to do is kill Firefox. We restart it, go to our favorite web page, and we look at File, Send Link, Shift Command L is there now. And now we hit our new keyboard shortcut, Command Shift L, and mail is launched, a new email is created, the subject and the link are put in for us. We just have to type our recipients and we're done. Okay, armed with this information, you should now be able to add or modify the keyboard shortcuts for any OS X application. I should also mention that there are third-party utilities, Quicksilver for example, that make these types of tasks even easier. So get out there and explore and enjoy your Mac.